Canon, if you're watching this, you probably are, because I'm very popular. I just want to let you know this remote that I bought for my camera is garbage. Okay. Oh my god, really? I don't know what to do. I need a second opinion. Okay, get it together, girl. Get it together. It's embarrassing me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to kind of incorporate a mini review in this makeup look because I'm trying out one of Huda Beauty's melted shadows for the first time, and I've seen so much buzz on these shadows all over Instagram, so I'm like, you know what, I want to try it out and see if it's actually as good as people say. So the first thing we're going to do is prime our lids, and we're going to do that using our Paint Pot in the color Laying Low. And I'm just going to take my finger really quickly and apply that all over my lid. Nobody really said whether they preferred me to do my face on camera in my last video, so if nobody cares, then I'm just gonna do it this way because it is easier for me. And if you guys want like a video where it's like me doing my entire face, then let me know and I will do that too. Okay, after I put that primer on, I'm gonna go in with a couple of transition colors, and I'm gonna use one of my favorite palettes, which you guys already know, and my colors are these two right here. I'm gonna go in with this one first and then with the darker one, and I'm just gonna use a blending brush for that. And I'm just going to go ahead and start creating some dimension in this eye. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. The color itself, the Huda Beauty color, it does seem like it has enough pigmentation to go on its own. But I feel like for this kind of look, it's going to look better with a color underneath. I'm going to go in with that darker brown too and just kind of pack that on my lid and blend that out. More so below my crease, not higher than that, because I still want that to be feathered out up there and softer, and I don't want this dark brown to be so high, if that makes sense. And then down here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to kind of go in a round motion. And I really like these Milani colors because they're so blendable. They really are, guys. Like, it's like a really good nude matte palette, right? Yeah, because they're all mattes, but they're all so natural. Like, these are all the colors in the palette, which I showed you guys this palette in my drugstore haul from a few months ago. But they're just great colors to have in your collection. They really are. And you see how easy they were to blend, and you can't really see a distinction between the lighter brown and the darker brown. That's what you want. That's how you know you did a good job blending. Guys, is it dark in here or is it me? It can't be dark in here. This is good lighting, right? So now once we finish with those colors, that's when we're going to go in with our Huda Beauty color. So this shadow comes with one side which dries matte, and then the other side which has a thinner wand, which I'll show you guys. It has a thinner wand and it's a shimmer color. Not glitter, but shimmery kind of glitter, I guess. That's the color that I'm wearing in my inner corner. And then this has a thicker wand, a little too thick in my opinion, but it still works, and it looks like that. And honestly, like, if you wanted, you could put this on the back of your hand and then go in with a brush and put that on your lid. In this video, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to start applying that on my lid, but I'm only going to go about halfway, which is about this. I want to match it so it could look about the same. So this is what I did with it. And you guys can actually see the pigmentation in this shadow because I have a dark brown right here, right? So you'll see how this goes on. I can't even talk because I'm going to mess up. So let's just watch real quick. So start right there. And I'll bring it to about halfway like that. And then once I do that, what I did is that I took a different brush and I kind of smoothed that out a little bit. Where did I put the brush? Oh, here it is. So I'm going to take a brush like this and just kind of smooth that out before it dries and get it in the exact spots that I want it to be. So it blends out perfectly, and actually you see how it dries? It's not much different than this eye because I did put another color over it because I wanted it a little bit more intense. And then I'm going to go back in with that brush that I used, the dark brown color, and I'm just going to blend out these edges a little bit so there's not a harsh line here. I use this lime green color right here to put it over this color. You could definitely leave it like this. I feel like it looks so pretty and natural like this alone, but honestly I wanted it a little bit more lime, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I just grabbed a shadow brush, take some on my brush here. It's very pigmented, so you guys see how pigmented that is. This palette is thebomb.com. If you don't have it, you need to go get it at Riley Rose or pinkyrose.com, I guess. I don't know. I bought it at Riley Rose. So now that I have that lime green color on my brush, I'm going to go ahead and apply that all over my lid. You see how much more intense that color gets? You see how limey? And I'm just going over that same general area of where I applied the Huda Beauty color. And just applying that right there in that location. You see how much it makes your eyes pop so much more? And that's so good when you're really trying to get these vibrant colors. Sometimes people think that you just are using one color to get the look, and you're not. You're layering colors. Okay, so now once I do that, I'm going to go back in with my brush and just try and even it out as much as possible to the other side. Blend it out some. And this is like the easiest look, guys. It really is. I don't know. I don't think it looks hard, but I'm not on the other side of this. I hope that I explain things the right way. And you can definitely go back and forth and kind of retouch some of these things that you do. I brought the green up a little bit higher on the first eye. See how that's a little bit higher? And so I need to do the same on this side. Like, I was taking pictures of my thumbnail and I'm like, why do my eyes look uneven? They don't look right. Even right here, I have to like fix this a little bit. There, I fixed it, okay? So I'll show you the rest of this video where I didn't fix it. But now you guys know I fixed it. So technically, you can't say it doesn't match. Boom, it does. As far as the color, I feel like I would buy this in different colors just because I played with it on this eye, and now that I'm showing it to you on this eye, you guys saw how nice they actually are. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Lilly lashes that I bought, and these are in Goddess. These are my favorite. I think I've mentioned them before. I definitely mentioned it on my Instagram if you guys follow me. Okay, while I wait for my lash glue to dry, I'm gonna go in with an eyeliner, and this eyeliner is from MAC, and this is gonna be the Feline, and it's just a black eyeliner. I'm gonna apply that right here all over my bottom lash line. Okay, so now that we applied the liner, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes just like this. And that's basically it. I'm gonna pinch them together, make sure they dry. If you guys know another brand of lashes that maybe has like a thinner bands or something, you guys need to let me know, please. Which I always say that and nobody says anything in the comments. It's like I'm not saying anything at all. Shame on you. We're just gonna wait for the glue to dry a little bit, and I'm gonna go in with a pencil brush and these same colors from my Milani palette, and I'm gonna mix them both together, and I'm gonna go under my lash line and smoke it out a little bit. The pencil, it's not a pencil that smudges, which I like, because I don't want it to smudge black. I want it to be brown. So definitely if you're looking for something that doesn't smudge, Feline is a good one. And as usual, guys, I will place the products that I used in this video down below. Once I smoke out the bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with my mascara, the Extended Gigalash by MAC. And I'm going to go ahead and do my bottom lashes a little bit. Trying really hard not to get the mascara on my powder. Whoa, I almost just poked my eye out. God, be careful. We just need the final thing, which is the other side of the Huda Beauty shadow. The glitter, which is a beautiful gold. And I'm going to go ahead and take the applicator too and apply it right in the inner corner. And it's so pretty and so easy to apply. And I like that it's not too thick. It feels like it has more of a watery texture. Does that make sense? But that's good because in your inner corner, you don't want anything too thick. I think that's okay. It's not too crazy, right guys? Yeah, that'll work out. It's fine. So this is what the eyes, I mean the glue is still drying a little bit right here, but ultimately this is what the eyes ends up looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and take off all of this powder that I kept here to make sure that I had no fallout. I'm gonna go in with my bronzer now. This is a Marc Jacobs bronzer, and I'm just gonna go over the powder a little bit, kind of bronze myself up a little bit more. My blush that I'm going to be using today, Prism, which is the same color blush I used in my last video. I'm going to put some on my cheeks, not too much, just a little bit for a little extra color. So once I apply my blush, I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlighter. I'm going to apply this Jeffree Star highlighter, King Tut. My sister gave me this and I haven't used it yet, so I definitely want to use it. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on the apples of my cheeks. Ever so gently, because this highlighter is a little intense. I would wet my brush, but sometimes it gives me that wet look that I really don't want. See how pretty that looks actually? And it doesn't look too crazy. Also apply some on my nose. That was a little too much, but you know, that's okay, that's okay. That's what it's all about, the glow, right? Okay. Now, let's just set our makeup, guys. I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm wearing. God, that tastes nasty. Hold on. Why am I talking while I'm spraying my face? Okay. Oh my gosh, I was pressing the wrong button all along. Really? There's only one button on here. On my lips, I'm wearing a KatVonD liner. And this is a pink one. I'll show you guys. This one is called Hawkwind. And I really love this liner for my lips because I feel like without liner, my lips don't really have like the definition that I want them to have. My lipstick, I don't know why I put it away, but it's my favorite nude, which is the MAC Bred Brown. That's what it looks like. It's just a really brown color. I know it doesn't suit a lot of skin tones though, so if you want to try it first before you buy it. It's very brown. And then for gloss, I'm wearing my Tarte and Dip Down, which is, no, why do I keep saying Dip Down? It's Tarte and Double Tap, which is my all-time favorite gloss. I love this gloss too. It's so pretty. I'm all for like these mauve-y purple colors. I love them. Every time I apply lip gloss or lipstick, my lips shake so much. All right, my loves. So that is basically it for this look. Bye. Thanks so much. Oh God, I'm so weird.